All right, let's talk about something we all use every single day, probably every single minute, but almost never really think about: Wi-Fi. It's this invisible magic that basically runs our entire modern world.
I mean, think about it. You tap a button on your phone and boom, the entire internet is right there. But how? What is actually happening in the air all around you to make that possible? That's the exact question we're going to dig into.
All right, Wi-Fi. We all use it, but how does it really work? Let's break down the magic.
So, how does the internet literally fly through the air to your phone? It seems like magic, right?
Turns out it all comes down to invisible waves. Yep, good old-fashioned radio waves, just sending data.
But wait, how do simple waves carry something complex, like a video? Well, that's where the real genius comes in.
It's a process called modulation. Basically, we're embedding a secret code of ones and zeros into the wave. But a single wave just isn't enough for today's internet. So Wi-Fi has a pretty cool trick up its sleeve. This trick is called OFDM. It's like turning a single dirt road into a massive multi-lane data highway.
And this entire four-step dance, it happens millions of times every single second for that seamless connection. So how can we make this process even faster? Well, it's all about making that data highway wider.
You got it. Wider channels mean more lanes for data. And more lanes, that just means more speed.
And just look at the numbers here. As the channel width goes up, that max speed really takes off.
Doubling that channel width pretty much doubles your potential speed. The difference is just, wow, it's dramatic.
But for all its freedom, Wi-Fi still has a rival. A wired connection is still king for pure speed and stability.
And believe me, this tech didn't just pop up overnight. It's been on a relentless quest for more speed.
I mean, look at this. From its slow start to today's gigabit speeds, every new standard changed the game.
This quote really sums it all up, doesn't it? The goal was always to make the wires just disappear.
So with this crazy pace of change, you have to wonder, what's next for our world without wires?